Hey Adam, show you a couple of things we found. I called you up just a second ago, and that's what was coming out of your lower unit right there. And I said it was should be green and sort of clearish, but that's not what it is. This lower unit right here does not match your boat. This lower unit is back in the 70s. That's why it's rounded like that and comes to a point in the back. It's what's called a pre-alpha. This is an alpha 1. So someone has not put the right lower unit on your boat. They put one on that's a lot older. And doesn't really create problems, just that's what it is. Whoever had this off, and it hadn't been long ago, you could see that there's some marks here where they've used I don't know what they used, but when they were putting it back on, they didn't even tighten them up like they were supposed to be. Now, it was dripping some water right there, and it's probably coming from that line right there that's cracked. That's something that we just saw a minute ago when we were looking. This is your exhaust hose. That top one right up there is the U-joint bellows. The U-joint bellows is the one that, since water's coming out of your shift cable, that one probably, the top one probably has a leak in it. And this hose right here is split and it's leaking, so that probably will have to be addressed also. The main thing is it's got the wrong lower unit on it. It didn't come that way. And you can see the water dripping from that. Water shouldn't be dripping. There's nothing up there for the water, so water's getting in somewhere. And that's why we're going to pull the drive off and find out exactly what's going on with that. There's the other end of your inner shift cable right there that goes up to your shift mechanism inside the boat. And if you told me water was coming out of there, the other end of that cable right there is up behind here. And so water has to be getting in at your U-joint bellows and then getting into this area and then shoving it back up. So we're going to pull the drive. It hadn't been long since someone's had it off of here. You can tell where they've got the wrench marks on there. So we're just going to find out where we're going from here. Well, once again, there's no reason for water to be dripping out of there, so we're going to find something.